degrees in Grants Pass and 59 degrees in Medford. A fairly mild to warm start to the morning for many of us. Through Siskiyou County, temperatures are in the low to mid 50s in Siskiyou County, and then east of the Cascades, temperatures are right now sitting in the 40s and 50s towards the southern portions of Klamath and Lake counties, with then 30s towards the northern portions of Klamath and Lake counties. In terms of air quality, as you begin your day, still suboptimal for many of us, as we are seeing moderate air quality and unhealthy for sensitive groups air quality for much of the region. A few locations still reporting good air quality, even Lakeview reporting good air quality this morning, but I do expect as we go throughout the day, smoke will become a little more dense and a bit more widespread. So we are going to continue to see some air quality concerns as we go through your afternoon. Timing out your hour by hour this morning in our west side valleys. We are going to be looking at temperatures climbing into the upper 50s by your 8 a.m. hour, and this is going to set up what will be a very warm day in southern Oregon and northern California, and a very, very warm stretch of weather coming. Now, as we look at what we're expecting along the Oregon coast this afternoon, highs will be climbing into the 60s and 70s. Winds out of the north will be gusting, though, to 30 miles an hour, so expect a pretty breezy day, although pleasant day in Curry County. Through Siskiyou County today, anticipate temperatures for the most of us rising into the 90s, upper 90s towards the Wairika area. Now in places like Happy Camp and Soames Bar, we may climb into the low 100s. East of the Cascades, that's where we can find temperatures on the day climbing into the mid to upper 80s. Smoke is certainly going to become more widespread through Klamath and Lake counties as we go later into the day. We cannot rule out a wind gust or two of up to 20 miles an hour east of the Cascades later today. In our mountains, 84 degrees will be your daytime high at Lake of the Woods, with then low 90s through Prospect and Butte Falls. And then in our west side valleys, temperatures today will be climbing into the 90s. In fact, a matching pair of 97 degrees in Medford and Rogue River later this afternoon, much hotter than anything we saw this weekend. As we look at your smoke forecast, I'm just going to click through this through today and even into tomorrow. You can see the region will continue to be shrouded in a thick blanket of smoke. In fact, as we go later into the day on Tuesday and into Wednesday, we may see even more dense smoke entering our area as the wind shifts and is coming from the south, and will be bringing more air quality concerns, more smoke from wildfires in California. Temperatures are going to be the other side of the coin that we are tracking very closely. By tomorrow, we will be back to the low 100s in our west side valleys, and then Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, very hot temperatures with highs well into the triple digits, maybe even approaching 110 degrees. Because we are going to be looking at such hot temperatures going forward, excessive heat watches exist for all of these areas in this kind of maroon color from 1 o'clock tomorrow all the way until 11 p.m. on your Saturday. Temperatures going to be in the triple digits. Overnight lows will only be in the 60s and 70s. Not much relief coming our way. So today's really the day that you want to get stocked up on those bottles of water and maybe even some Gatorade. Maybe even some ice cream. I always recommend cooling down with a nice frozen tasty treat, and that will certainly be recommended as we go throughout the week. So for the next 7 days, the coast will be looking at temperatures in the 60s and 70s. We will be looking at some clouds returning to Curry County as we go towards the end of the week. Siskiyou County, 90s today, get right back to those triple digits as we go Tuesday and Wednesday. Slight chances of showers and thunderstorms then enter the forecast as we go Thursday and Friday. East of the Cascades, temperatures will be in the upper 80s today, rising quickly to the mid 90s tomorrow, and even upper 90s as we get to Wednesday. Slight chances of showers and thunderstorms then exist on Thursday, Friday, and even Saturday. In our higher terrain, mid to upper 80s today, low 90s tomorrow, and then we get to those mid 90s by Wednesday. Slight chances of showers and thunderstorms exist in the mountains as we go Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And in our west side valleys, just be prepared for 90s today, and then very hot weather as we go Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Also, just a very slight chance of thunderstorms entering the region on Thursday too.
Honestly, Jeff, I'm going to use this warm